In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the background to black and white in Canva while keeping your subject in full color. This is a super popular effect that makes your photos look more professional, more dramatic, and way more eye-catching for thumbnails, social media posts, and presentations. The best part is, you can do this directly inside Canva in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Canva tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Add your photo to the canvas. Open Canva and create a new design or open an existing one. Then simply drag and drop your photo onto the canvas. Resize it so it fills the page the way you want. This will be the base image we're working with. Now here's the most important step that most people skip. Before removing the background, you need to duplicate the image. Click on the photo once to select it. Then press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac to duplicate it. You'll now have two identical copies sitting on top of each other. Think of this as creating two layers. Image A will be your full background image, and image B will become your cutout subject. Next, we're going to remove the background from only the top image. Click on the duplicated image, which should be the one on top. With that selected, go up to Edit Image in the top toolbar. Then choose Background Remover. Canva will automatically process the image and remove the background, leaving just your subject cut out. Now you should see the subject isolated, and underneath it is still the original full photo. At this point, we want to make sure the full image is sitting behind the cutout. Click on the original full image, which is image A. Right-click on it and choose Send to Back. This ensures your cutout subject stays on top, while the full image becomes the background layer. Now for the final effect. Click on the bottom image, the full background layer. Go to Edit Image again. To turn it black and white, you have two easy options. You can drag the saturation slider all the way down to 0, which completely removes all color. Or you can scroll through the filters and choose a black and white filter that fits your style. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the magic happen. The background becomes black and white, while your subject remains in full color on top. And that's it! You now have a black and white background with a color subject layered above it. This technique works perfectly for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, personal branding images, and creative designs where you want your subject to stand out instantly. If you want to make it even more dramatic, you can slightly increase contrast on the black and white background, or add a subtle blur effect to create more depth. Play around with the settings until it looks exactly how you want. That's how you change the background to black and white in Canva the right way. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.